everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I will be showing you guys how to make a burlap rose out of this piece of material here. So all you need along with this is a felt circle to place at the back of the rose and a glue gun. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to fold the fabric or the burlap just like this. Then you're going to start at this end and you're going to roll. And you want to keep that nice and tight so that the center of your rose is nice and neat. And then as soon as you are coming close to the end of this fold, what you do is you'll fold it behind and keep rolling. So see, you're coming up to the end of the fold again, so you maybe roll a little bit more and fold behind. And then you continue rolling. As soon as you come near to the end of that fold, you fold it behind and you push it up a little bit just to get that corner to appear like that. And then you keep rolling. Push it up a little and keep rolling. And then you'll need to add your glue. And what I do is I'll add it just underneath. We'll turn it on the other side, and what I like to do on this side is I like to put some glue just in the corners here to secure those pieces as well as the end piece. I'm just going to hold until they're dry. And I'm just going to secure this piece here.
That's good.
I'm just going to trim this little piece at the corner. Then now I'm going to cut this piece off. And then I'm going to add my piece of felt right at the back here. And there you have it, your easy peasy burlap rosette, rose flower, whatever you want to call it. But I think that looks beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, why don't you go ahead and do so? I'll be grateful if you did. Thank you so much once again, and join us for more videos like this. Take care. Bye.